Hello everyone, welcome back to AI for Arithmetic YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we showed you how to install Python and set up PyCharm. If you missed those, be sure to check them out. Today, we are diving into the basics of Python syntax. Let's get started. Before we begin, we should first create an environment. Don't worry if you're not sure what is an environment. I will explain it in future videos. Create a new Python file and choose a name for it. For example, Python program.py. Now let's start with the simplest one, the print statement. In Python, we use the print to display output. Let's run this code by right-clicking on the file and selecting Run. We can also get multiple values to print. Comments are an essential part of any program language. They help us understand the code better. In Python, we use the hash symbol for single-line comments. You can also use triple quotes for multi-line comments. Strings in Python can be enclosed either single quotes or double quotes. Both work the same way, but using one type can help include the other type inside the string without escaping. You can also include special characters in your strings using escape sequence. For example, \n is a new line character and \t is a tab character. Next, let's look at basic operations in Python. Python supports standard arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, as well as power and remainder operations. In the next video, I will explain more about variables and data types in Python. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI for Arithmetic YouTube channel.